What's up, guys? It's Hacks. Coming at you again with another game update video. This time, like I said before, I put in the prologue, though it's not, up to snuff yet. I just put in the text, so it's just very basic. I don't have the art yet because I have to draw it. But yeah, I put in the text for it. It works. It progresses the way I want, which is good. I also did some other stuff with the UI. Which I'll show you. And yeah, so I also worked on the dialogue a bit, system a bit. So yeah, I could show you the prologue as it is now. I think I'm just gonna skip through it because whatever. So this is like the title card. Comes up with the thing. This is the first line of the prologue. Will I show the whole thing? I'm just gonna skip it. Because it's just text. So I'm just gonna skip it. And then after it's done, it gives you the next title card. Puts you in a test level. Okay. So this is gonna be the detective office, because that's where you start. In the detective office, and then you go to the Westwood Kingdom, then you blah 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 blah. But you start here. This is not the same as the other level, even though it looks really similar. Trust me. So yeah, I gotta model it, the detective office. So yeah, but I'm probably gonna end up putting the functionality in first, and then switching it out over time with the models that I need. I already modeled it once in class, so it won't be that hard to do it again. Yeah. So that's story mode there. It's pretty easy. I mean, it's not that hard. Okay, other thing I did. I changed some dialogue stuff. And I also changed some UI. So let's do the UI first because that's easier. So I changed up the stat screen. So now it's a chart instead of text, I suppose. So you see the icons and how much, the end result, how much your base, your equip, your passives, and yeah. And I edited this. I don't know why though, but it looks kind of cool. Okay. Same thing for the bestiary. So now it's like this. This is because I haven't made the icons yet, so they're just all this one. But yeah, same thing as you can see this drops locations. I should probably put something else other than a dash here, but maybe the rarity. Oh, that could work, yeah. Because you have the rarity of the drops, you might want with the rarity of the guy appearing. That would be nice. All right. Last thing. Let's see. Oh yeah, I guess I removed the UI, the HUD, because when you first appear, you're not going to have it, obviously. And I moved the money to here on the pause menu because the only time you really want to see is when you're buying something, right? So I moved the HUD to the dungeon, so if you go in the dungeon, it'll show up there. I also added this to the hot springs in the mailbox because it's from Joe's point of view, so I figured why not. So if you also go to the mailbox, if there's mail in it, it's like this. I also got rid of the choice thing because I thought it was distracting. So now it's just the little animation instead of the choice thing. Okay. What else? No, this is exactly the same. I just changed the code in the back to make it more efficient, but other than that, it's exactly the same. Okay, I added another dialogue here to show off some stuff. Oops, I accidentally clicked too fast. Well. So now your text can auto go. Even if you don't click. You can talk really fast too. Although this might not work. If it doesn't work, I'll have to render the game because I don't know why. Recently, the thing has had lag, so sometimes the fast text won't go in this, but as a rendered game, it will. I don't know why, but okay, so it's working here. Okay, so you can do that too now, if I want, because you know sometimes a character will talk fast. You're like, what did you just say? But you can still see it in the log if you want, if you like. So yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. A lot of it was on the back end, but with this, it's pretty much done. So next thing, I really wanted to do the settings menu, like factor that too and make it look nicer. But I kind of ran out of time because it took me a lot longer to do this the stats menu than I thought it would. So that'll be for this week, the settings menu, and what else? There was something else too, but I forgot what it was. So yeah, settings menu definitely, and some other things, whatever I can think of. Putting in the new status effect, I guess. Yeah, I mean, there's not really much else to say about that. Yeah, so that'll be it. I'll probably have some new stuff next time, and yeah, so bye.